doesn't that sound ominous? Good music to begin English workshop today. What I'd like you to do right now is to go ahead and get out a highlighter and a pen, and then I'll tell you what page. So just pause the video if you need to get out your supplies. Okay, today we're going to work with pronouns, and we're going to talk about types of pronouns. And we're going to need to turn to page 207 and go over the instructions, and then we're going to practice looking at the different types of pronouns. So go ahead and turn in your book to page 207. Okay, at the top of the page, go ahead and highlight case is the form of a noun or a pronoun that shows its use in a sentence. In English, there are three cases. There's the nominative case, which is when the pronoun is acting as a subject. The objective case, when the pronoun is acting as a direct object, an indirect object, or an object of preposition. And then there's the possessive case that you're very familiar with. So go ahead and mark those. The form of a noun is the same for the nominative and the objective cases. Okay, so let's look at the examples. Nominative case: the judge has issued a ruling, and that's used as a noun. In the objective case, I respect the judge, and so now the noun is being used as an object. So when a noun is being used, it's not a problem, but the problem begins to exist when it's a pronoun that's used. And so we have to be able to determine subject pronouns and object pronouns, and we've talked about this in class, so we're going to get a little practice today. Let's look down at the personal pronouns chart below. Put a star in the nominative case chart and in the objective case chart, and you need to memorize these and know that nominative case pronouns are used as subjects, and objective case pronouns are used as objects in a sentence. Okay, so please mark those, and then let's turn the page. Okay, now we're going to do exercise 1, identifying personal pronouns and their cases. All right, I'm going to read the instructions. Identify the case of the italicized pronoun in each sentence below. On the line before each sentence, write nom. Well, I'm going to change my mind about that. I want you to write an N for nominative, which is the subject pronouns, an O for the objective pronouns, and a P for the possessive pronouns. Okay, so right now I need you to go ahead and pause the video and to mark N, O, or P in each of the blanks, number 1 through 10. And then when you finish, I want you to turn the video back on, and I want you to check your answers. All right, now that you've completed exercise 1, please check all of your answers. I have them marked on the screen, and be sure that you're aware of, when a pronoun is acting as a subject, an object, or as a possessive pronoun. And at the bottom of the page, I'd like you to write the word, on the bottom of number 10, I'd like you to write the word pronoun for me. Right now, I need you to write the word pronoun right below number 10. It doesn't show up on the screen, but I want you to write it down there. Okay, today I'm glad we learned a little bit about pronouns, and that pronouns can act as, subjects in a sentence, an object in a sentence, or as possessive pronouns. And so right now I want you to do one more thing. On page 208, in the upper left-hand corner, I want you to draw a little star. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.